Are your HPGR's mills suffering from roller press rolls chunking problem? Damages on different types of rollers. Has your team ever encountered breakage of your costly roller press rolls? If yes, then we have a solution for you. No more worrying about RPR's breakdowns and expensive repairs.
Let's begin with identifying where such solutions are needed. This problem is commonly faced in raw mills, cement mills, and slag mills. A high-pressure grinding rolls or roller press rolls are used to grind clinker, raw feed, and slag to make fine powder.
To create fine powdered cement, the high-pressure roller press goes through rigorous wear and tear, includes roller profile chip-off, chunking, fatigue, etc.
The reason behind chunking is metal ingress along with raw material feed, which is difficult to detect. Repeated metal ingress causes accelerated material fatigue that results in flaking off and chunking.
Chunking leads to breakdowns, unplanned stoppage, costly downtime, reduction of roller lifetime, and various disadvantages. To take care of such issues damaging the roller press, Diffusion has brought the latest IoT system through Benvira.
Introducing Benvira, an IIoT technology solution for units.
Benvira system has an inbuilt real-time visualization of wear and tear. A display of wear map with different gradient and colors is available.
You can easily monitor the real-time wear condition of the rollers on your handheld media devices without stopping it, and a 24/7 remote access of your roller on your mobile, laptop, or desktop.
This makes roller maintenance easy to be scheduled and eliminates unexpected breakdowns.
Collecting 33,000 readings every revolution, the real-time data collection capabilities of Benvira scanner enable it to detect the wear pattern without stopping the mill or opening the mill gate. A cheek plate sensor is installed in order to measure wear on the sides of the rolls. Scanners are installed on the cheek plate sides to monitor the tilt and correct angle of disorientation. Benvira's metal detection sensors are designed to scan for tramp metal parts from the conveyor belt, which is up to 16 mm, and may cause irreversible damage to the roller if fed to the roller mill. The way Benvira works, it becomes easier to take timely corrective actions to save the roller press from being damaged. Benvira is a complete detection solution with all metal sensing capabilities.